So we had some nice drone footage there, but what if we wanted to reverse that and make it go backwards in the opposite direction for more cinematic effect? The simplest way to do this in Adobe Premiere Elements 2020 is to right click on the video clip and go into clip here and time stretch, and we can slow this down or speed this up, but the simplest thing is to just click this reverse speed right here, and now when we play the video clip again, we'll see it is moving in the opposite direction of the original. By hitting the undo button, copying this right here, and then clicking the redo again. Now here you can paste in the other clip and that will play normal. So we have the reverse clip here as we pull out of the city. And we have the original clip here that plays as we go into the city, adding to a nice overlay. And that is the simplest way to reverse a video clip in Adobe Premiere Elements 2020.